Howdy y'all. I have some troubling news here. Our little celery butt is not doing well. All limp, and the main body of the celery is all mushy, and I don't think that our celery butt's gonna make it. But there is hope. I have gotten some more celery for some stuff I need to make. This is just some green giant celery, and I'm gonna make a few dishes that I'm wanting to put celery in. So I'm going to try and trim this one a little more carefully with a mind to trying to grow the little stalk. So first I think I'll just pull off several of the main branches. I noticed with the first little celery experiment that I think I'm leaving too much of the stalk attached to this because it got real mushy. But I'm going to try and take off all these big green stalks. Okay, now we're getting down to the middle. Okay, so now I think I'm going to just kind of cut them and leave the bottom. I don't know, can y'all see me there? I think I'm going to cut them like this. Now, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying this. But last time I just whacked it, you know, like an ingredient. I just chop, 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 chop. This time I'm going to try and not be so brutal. Okay. Should I leave this big one on there? I think I'll take it off. Okay. Alright, so I'll clean all this celery up, and I'm going to be using that for recipes, so I'll do that in a minute. So here's our celery kind of trimmed down, but I left the center green leafies. And now I think I'm going to put some toothpicks in it. Ah! Look at that. This is not a very good design on a toothpick dispenser. Okay, got my toothpicks. So I'm just going to put them in at an angle like this, maybe in 3 or 4 spots. I'm trying to be sure and put it down into this part, so if it does get mushy, it'll still hold it. I think 3 will do. Okay, maybe one more. Maybe one more. Okay. Let's see. I think that'll kind of work, yeah? Should I get a smaller glass? Let me see. Like that. This one seems to be at a different angle. Let's try again. Adjust them a little bit. Alright, that looks alright. Okay. Put some water in here. I want it to kind of touch the bottom, but I don't really want all the stalk getting mushy. So, okay, this is the continuation of the celery experiment. And maybe it will work. We shall see. So this is our new celery butt that's going to replace the old celery butt. And we'll see if it grows a little better now that I wasn't quite so brutal with it. So here's our first little experiment. Poor thing, all soft and puny. And let's see how this one does now. we'll put it in the window and wish it luck. Try and keep the water clean, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for joining me. Y'all be sweet.